video uploaded to my non-existent channel. These are my new $175 Justin Ropers. Now, they actually only cost, well, no, they're more than that. They were $39.99. So, plus $149.99. So basically, I spent about $180 for a used pair of $180 boots. I needed boots because I find myself down here at Tucson in the lovely Amazon hotel. But I was down here with nothing but a pair of slip-on shoes, and I needed some boots. So I went by Goodwill, and as always, you spend more at Goodwill than you expect. While I was looking for boots, I found this. This is a 1967 Lane Sweetheart chest. Now, it still has the original Lane self-closing lock, which is considered kind of a safety hazard. Apparently Lane will give you a brand new lock if you write him, which I suppose I will. And because nobody knew how that worked, nobody at the thrift store had opened it and stolen anything. It still has its original key, its guarantee against moth damage. It looks like moths have already eaten all the blankets because there weren't any in here. It's got the original tag and this really nifty book, which Barry up in Wisconsin will probably like because it's got a reference to his Acclaim group, which he collects. It shows all the various types, well, can't really do this left-handed, of products that they made. So anyway, I kind of like reaction videos, but it feels like cheating because you're using someone else's content. So I figure what I'm going to do is explain throughout my non-existent channel who I watch and what inspiration I get for me to acquire a bunch of unfinished projects that I don't actually work on. So in the comments, I'm going to drop the refinisher that's really led me to collecting a whole bunch of furniture that I haven't yet even begun to start. This one looked pretty restorable. I just need to work on this top. There's very little minor damage in some other locations, and I really liked this tag. When I was a kid, we moved a lot, and every time we used professional movers, there were these little tags left on various pieces of furniture. So I like to think about the fact that this piece took a journey at some point. Anyway, so much for my first video filmed with a 4-year-old Samsung J7. Why I'm using a 4-year-old phone is a video for another time.